it gives us great pleasure to now invite on stage a woman who has dedicated much of her time and effort into KSK, the president of Kechara Soup Kitchen, Ms. Ruby Kong.
Well, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for coming. We are here tonight in support of Kechara Soup Kitchen, formerly known as KSK. Every weekend, our volunteers go down to the streets of Kuala Lumpur, rain or shine, to distribute more than 800 packets of hot vegetarian food and dry food to the needy. Our main objective is to get them off the streets, and we do this by finding them shelter homes or jobs that will bring dignity back to their shattered lives. We feed anyone regardless of race, religion, and creed. Hence our motto, hunger knows no barriers. Look around you. We're here tonight in this beautiful ballroom, with many others are out there wondering where their next meal will be coming from. But we're here tonight not out of sheer frivolity, but with a purpose. We're here in these beautiful surroundings, and we're feeding hunger to feed hope. And it's thanks to all you compassionate people for making this possible. So on behalf of the 800 men, women, and children that we feed every weekend, and on behalf of all the people who could potentially benefit from what you're doing here tonight, I thank you for making it possible. I would also like to thank Melvin Lam, the brainchild of this event, for bringing in all the sponsors and putting this whole show together. Melvin is not new in supporting KSK, having organized a high fashion tea party 2 years ago in support of this cause. And a very special thank you also to Mr. Antoine Bakash of Mowat for being a sponsor for tonight's event. You took a big load off our shoulders when you agreed to be a sponsor. Thank you so much. And also a very big thank you to Mr. C.P. Saw, Managing Director of ECMI Trade Fest Southeast Asia, for sponsoring this lovely dinner that we shall all be feasting on soon. When Melvin first told me that you'll be sponsoring our dinner, I was stupefied. Thank you so much for your generosity. Tonight is a little different because we also have the pleasure of celebrating Datuk Dr.Victor Wee's birthday. Datuk Wee has transitioned from merely being KSK's patron to a good supportive friend who gives his time, support, and energy to a cause that benefits others. And thank you for being my constant source of motivation. On behalf of KSK's committee, we wish Datuk a very happy birthday, and may all your wishes and aspirations come to fruition soon. Again, my deepest appreciation to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the dinner and the rest of this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruby. Now, can you please remain on stage as we would now like to invite our patron, Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. Victor Wee, to join Ruby here on stage. And also at the same time, we would like to invite Mr. Antoine Bakash up on stage here to join us. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to welcome our gentlemen. Thank you. Mr. Bakash would like to present a check to Kechara Soup Kitchen for a total sum of 20,000 ringgit. Tonight, ECMI has sponsored 20 tables in aid of Kechara Soup Kitchen. Now, Melvin Lam is no stranger to charitable causes, having raised funds for Yayasan Wanita Cemilang, Tengku Azizah Fertility Foundation, and many others. This is also the second time that Melvin is generously supporting KSK. And a big round of applause to Ruby and Datuk.Victor. Happy birthday, Datuk.Victor. And now, as Ruby has mentioned in her speech, it is Datuk.Victor Wee's birthday, and we have a surprise birthday cake for him. So can we please bring out the birthday cake? And can all of us please sing Datuk.Victor a very happy birthday song?
Happy birthday to you.
All right, fantastic.
Happy birthday to you.
See, he's sharing his birthday with Mother's Day. So I hope you all have a cake at home for your mom as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and give your warmest welcome to the ever-lovely Pun Sao King.
像初次的舞台，听到掌声响起来，我的心中有无限感慨。掌声响